Take it, no issue. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Launch of Meghalaya's Autumn Calendar 2025, highlighting various upcoming events as part of our continued effort to elevate tourism as a sector. So we have the Mega Kayak Festival, October 14 to 18, the 7th Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenge, October 23rd till 25th, the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, November 14 till 15, Shillong Lit Fest, November 20th till the 22nd, Megong Festival, November 28 and 29, and Winter Tales, December 11th till 13th. So this time around, as you are aware, the festival will be held at Shillong at the JN Stadium in order to give visitors to the festival a different feel altogether. So for day one of Cherry Blossom, as you are aware, I had made the announcement that we have Jason Dorolo and the script who will be headlining on day one. Apart from that, a very well-known Moroccan-based performer, Nora Fatehi, has also confirmed her participation and performance on day one of Cherry Blossom 2025. For day two, we are in the negotiation stage with a few artists. We will be sharing information with you in the next 10 days.